Welcome back to Online Biz Info. In this video, I want to take you to a short update on Nodepay Airdrop. If you are farming Nodepay Airdrop, I want you to take it very seriously. And if you are not started, the link to join will be dropped at the description of this video. So Nodepay, there is an update on Nodepay. So once you come to your dashboard, you go to bottom. At the bottom, you can see mission and end. Click on mission and end. From mission and end, from the dialog box, there is a new task there. There is a new task there that says special missions. So, and the new task there says AI versus human. What do you trust? AI versus human. It is AI survey, and when you get it correctly, you will be gifted with 1,000 notes. So let's see how we answer the question. You say, can AI summaries summaries truly replace human written ones? What we want to hear your thoughts. Okay, sorry. We want to hear your thoughts. This survey will help us understand how much users trust AI-generated summaries, where they fall short, and how we can improve them. Your insight will help shape a new node future. So let's settle the debate. So once you come here, the next thing you need to do, you click on answer. As you click on answer, so let's go and answer the quiz correctly for you. You say, have you ever used an AI-generated summary? Yes, I use them regularly. Let's go with first option. Yes, I use them regularly. Do you think AI-generated summaries are as good as human written ones? Yes, AI summaries are just as good or better. Let's select the first one sometimes. So let's select the second. Then the third question says, what's the biggest issue you have ever noticed in AI-generated summaries? Mission context. AI skips important details. Over impersonation. The summary removes too much depth. Misinterpretation. AI summaries get meaning wrong. Lack of nuance. AI struggles with tones, sarcasms, or implied meaning. Repetitive. AI often, so you can say lack of nuance. So we go with that. If an AI summary and a human summary contradict each other, which do you trust more? Human written summary, I trust human judgment more. AI generated summary, AI is less biased than humans. Depends on the source. I all compare both before deciding. I wouldn't trust either without fact checking myself. So let's go now. We go with AI is less biased than human. AI is less biased than human. Would you use AI generated summaries for serious research or decision making? Yes, I already do. Yes, I already do. If an AI summary includes a confidence score, example 90% accurate based on contents, would you trust it more? Yes, it would help me decide when to trust AI. Maybe no confidence, we'll go with option A. So that is the quiz. So can we get the 1,000 notes correctly? Then you click on what? Submit. Let's see how it goes. You click on submit. As you click on submit, automatically it has been submitted. It has been submitted. You can see we answered it correctly. It said we answered it. Our answer has been accepted. Then what do? You now click on claim 1,000 notes. You claim Click there to claim your node. Congratulations, 1000 node points. 1000 node points done. So you click on done. So this is how to answer this quiz correctly. Please do follow us on online biz info. Follow this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel and click on that bell notification button so that each time we share a video like this, you'll be among the first to get it. Then please like and share this video that others may benefit. Now let's go back to our dashboard. You go back to your dashboard. As you go back to your dashboard to see our score reflected. Formerly we are having, you can see our score has reflected in our dashboard. So thank you and do have a wonderful day ahead of you. Thank you very much.